office. This is RC. How may I help you?
I would like to make a reservation.
May I have your name, please?
Mr. Ramirez.
Mr. Ramirez, we in Casa Inflamor, we are offering different types of rooms, which of course have different rates. We offer suite room, single room, double room, and deluxe room. With king-size bed, which overlooks swimming pool. So, Mr. Ramirez, what room type would you like to avail?
I would like to avail ang deluxe room.
Good choice, Mr. Ramirez. Deluxe room costs 2,000 pesos per night, plus appropriate taxes and services charged per night. How long would you like to stay with us?
4 days.
May you know the time and day of your arrival, Mr. Ramirez?
March 21, around 12 p.m.
Alright, Mr. Ramirez, can I get your contact number?
0906 289 1524.
Let me clarify your reservation, sir. You're reserved with the last room with king-size bed, which overlooks the swimming pool. Your arrival is on March 21, and you'll be staying with us up to March 24. And your contact number is 0906-289-1524. Is that right, Mr. Ramirez?
Yes, it is.
Is there anything I can do for you?
No more. Thank you. No more.
Alright, Mr. Ramirez, I'm looking forward to see you soon. Thank you for calling. Have a great day ahead. Goodbye.
Goodbye.